This gadget I got on Amazon, very unique multi-tool. It will fit your pocket super easily. Look, you got it here, little ruler, and looks like a pliers. See how they work by flipping this open. Wow, has some kind of spring tension over here. That's cool. There's a wire cutters in there. Probably nothing super stone to cut, but very unique. Look at that. There's a crimper over here, some sort. There's a couple of screwdrivers. You probably have to lock it back in like this, and you can use this little screwdriver. Oh, check this out. There's a screwdriver within a screwdriver. That's cool. So this one's more like a pin, but there you go. What's over here? No way, there's a knife in here. That is cool. I love it how there is another tools between the tools. I probably wouldn't be super comfortable to use it, but you know what? In case you have to have it, like this bottle opener, boom, you got a bottle opener. That's so unique. And then you can just unfold the whole thing. You have a flat head, another flat head right here, smaller one. Love it how you can spin it and close it anyway. What's in here? Knife. Yeah, we've seen it. Everything locks in. Then right here, a couple of Allen wrenches. Again, 3 Allen wrenches. Super cool. You got to close it this way. It's quite tight. Yeah, one of a kind for sure. Little pocket multi-tool. This one, Microtech Morpheon little spinner, miniature. This thing goes for about $100. Check this out. There you go. Mini spinning top, brass, serial number 29. It's made by Morpheon Microtech. And you can spin it pretty much anywhere. It's well balanced, so that way you can meditate. Make sure that's not a dream you living in. You know the movie I'm referring to, right? You can even use one of this parabolic glass. It's so balanced, well balanced, and look at that brass. Oh, didn't spin it hard enough. As you can see, it's a miniature. It's super nice. On a parabolic mirror, you can get it to spin up and down like that. And it's gonna spin for a while because it's a well balanced. So this thing is for everyday carry, to keep your sanity together. Kind of look at it for a little bit and meditate. I love this kind of stuff. Yeah, so spins for a long time, and it's a miniature, so won't take too much space. Comes with a microfiber towel, so that way you won't even lose it. Or like a holder, I mean. If you look closer at it, there's markings number 29 and 2017. So this kind of stuff is pretty collectible, and they're vintage. They actually go up in value a lot of times. Or you can trade for something. New Alight flashlight, dual light source, EDC, everyday carry. That's what it stands for. So another prepping tool. You know, you will have to get some solar panels in case the grid goes down to charge all your electronics. That's why we'll put to the test some more portable and non-portable solar panels, because with the charging station this will be useless. As you can see, it's charging by magnet. It plugs in like this, it comes with it, boom, and it goes into the power source like solar panel or whatever, grid, whatever is available. I love that you don't have a plug-in port. So really nice pocket clip. You can slide it into the pocket. It's square, won't take too much space. There's a laser, there's flashlight, and there's a spinner. Okay, there's a light on. Oh wow, that's bright. So that's a brighter settings. Wow, let's go in the dark. And then whenever you flip it, green laser, like laser pointer. How many lumens is that? Turbo is 1000 to 300 lumens, high 300 to 60 lumens, medium 60, low 15, and moon 1 lumen. So there's a whole bunch of settings. I have a super dark room, but as you can see, It is quite bright. Even this somewhat dark room, the camera overexposing, so that's cool. And there's 1 lumen. So it changes quickly. And then a laser. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So you can point at something, look at something. If you're talking about something, that's cool. And then flip it over, instantly flips over into a laser and flashlight, and then press it and off. I honestly never seen a dual flashlight laser such a high quality that you get both in one. I really like that gadget a lot. This one is pretty cool, glow in the dark patch. Where would you put the patch? On a backpack, onto the maybe head. So I bought actual head to show you guys how this would go. A bit too big, you know what, not what I expected, but probably be best on a backpack. This side here you put some maybe cooler patches, but I just wanted to show you how it would go if you wanted to put it on your head. It's a bit too big, but let's go in dark, see how much it will glow. You want it to be visible to light, so that way it will charge, it will glow in the dark, and it's a patch, which is glow in the dark patch. So smart. Look how bright it glows. Camera overexposes whenever you put it right onto the lens. But yeah, you can take that patch and actually use it as a glow stick. Look at that. Is that weird? One of a kind gadget for sure. Camera overexposes, and in complete darkness, that's a nice glow stick. For example, dark box, boom, now we can see the bottom of it. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So little glow stick. Here's a multi-tool that looks like a key. Why is this flat? It's not sharp, it's not a knife, but that way you will stop using your actual keys to opening boxes. I know you all did it, I did it, everybody do it. So put it with your keys, and next time you get a package, grab your multi-tool key instead of regular key and just open it. Just like that. Just like you would use it with the regular keys, same thing. Sometimes you'll have to use it this and that here. Because it doesn't have the ridges, it's kind of hard to break through the tape. Like the regular keys have these ridges, so it bites into tape a little bit better. So to improve this gadget, I would have put couple of like serration ridges, maybe not sharp, but that way it can bite into the tape better. I would keep it not sharp, but bottle opener is cool, and the screwdriver, a Phillips head and a flat head, actually pretty useful. It's very interesting. I like that little multi-tool for a keychain. A step-up tool would be a pry bar by Tech Accessories. What is a pry bar? It's a little tool that looks like this. You have a flathead screwdriver, or you can pry something open, or you can have a window breaker. But yeah, it will break through tape pretty good. People like those things a lot for some reason. What's made out of? Tie pry bar, so I think it's titanium. So the window breaker probably be very useful. Stick it in your pocket. It is super lightweight because it's made out of titanium. But if you need to pry something open, there you go. It's super strong titanium, you know that, right? And yeah, these things are super fun, and I guess you could use this edge to break through like boxes and stuff. Very cool tool. People love that kind of stuff. Here's another Tech Accessories, a really cool brand for everyday carry gadgets. They said here, what's it called? Mini E-Vault storage container. So use your imagination what you would put in here, but I love that lid. Maybe put in a fire starter. I don't know if it's waterproof or not. I love that little container. It has 1, 2, 3 neodymium magnets, and it pulls the lid so well. I don't know, just thought it was super cool. What would you use a little e-storage like that for? Pretty satisfying to open it and close it. There you go, weird stuff you find on Amazon. And for the last tool I got right here, CRKT 6-bit driver set, but this thing is so unique. that is a nice tool right here. First of all, it is tiny, it'll fit your pocket, pretty much any pocket, and there's a lid right here. Check this out, there's a brand name. You pull this out and you have star beads. Obviously you can replace them with something else. You put one in, this right here magnetic inside, and there's a magnet. But everything else seems to be not magnetic. I'm not really sure what it's made out of, but it's pretty lightweight, and then you just spin it. Doesn't have moving parts or anything like that. I guess this part is moving part, so if you put into something, it's kind of nice because it's rotatable. Whenever it's on your hand and you spin this way, not so much this way, but it could be helpful to kind of put it into the wall and rotate it. Pretty easy. Or like more precision, you can hold it this way, and you see it kind of rotates whenever you hold it, so it's more comfortable. My favorite part is that it looks super cool and very easy to put a piece in and out. I think each one has a magnet in there, and here too. Very easy to use, super lightweight, looks stylish and cool. I like that one a lot too. So that's it. That's my EDC everyday care tools for today. I switch them out sometimes, put in my pocket a couple of those things, sometimes not all of them, but I do love them a lot, and building up my collection that I keep switching out what I carry.